Hi, good afternoon, guys. It's 2 o'clock here in Colorado where we are. We are at the Genesee Park, outside of, I think, Genesee, Colorado. So we're going to give you a tour. Here's their little shelter. I believe they rent this out for special occasions. We were here once when we still had Daisy, a little over a year ago. And so this is the second time coming back here for me, third time for Dave, because he had to make sure he showed me. Because you're under the shade. So isn't this beautiful park, guys? We're up on a mountain. This would be a really pretty venue. I mean, look at this granite, guys. Big old chunk of granite on the overhead of that door.
I think the trail goes through here.
And then they have these different arches. I mean, look at these solid pieces of rock here. Try not to be too fast. Little dunk. Oliver, what do you see? Alrighty. So this is just a pit stop for the day. We're gonna get going to another location. We're just waiting until we get out of this area. It's Denver we're gonna go through, right? Denver? Where are we going next? Grain Junction, okay. I know. So this is a pit stop for the day. And one cool thing about this place is they're supposed to have bison out here. I haven't seen any yet. The last time we were out here, like I said, there was snow on the ground in April. A lot of snow. There was like big old snowbanks. So we couldn't even get into the park.
There wasn't snow.
Yeah, there was.
That was amazing.
Up the hill more.
Oh, there might have been a little bit.
The other way, yeah, because we couldn't get into the park last time.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going down the Genesee Summit Trailhead. Come on, Oliver. So this parking lot here is only for drop-offs. And they do have some handicap spots. Okay, so this park is the Denver Mountain Parks. And the dog has to be on a leash, which he is. 1 hour before sunrise and 1 hour after sunset. The park is closed, no camping. There's a fire ban. And this is, I don't know how good this map, you can see this map. Okay, but as you can tell, some Yahoo decided to take a 44. At least I think it's a 44 caliber. I don't know, definitely not a 9mm, because I've done 9mm and they're not quite that big. That might be a 38 though. They're pretty dang close. Look, there's another guy coming. Here's Dave and Oliver. Are you all excited? You gonna go for a walk? You all excited? No, he's going out that way.
Oh, yep, I'm going. Well, not that far up.
See? Told you you needed 2 bags for him.
sure? Yep. Okay, we'll get on the way out. If
Okay.
it's still there.
Well, I'm sure it will be.
Well, yeah. To the Genesee Summit Trail.
Yay!
I'll watch out for yay.
Well, you got the dog. You watch out for snakes. Oh, I do have the bell that scares them.
That's a cool spot. And it's pretty. And it's easy to park. You're not fighting the crowds like you do every other place. Are you going into the mountain, the rocks?
No, I'm not going on the rocks. My stomach's just a little on the icky side today. Not much, but
And then let's turn around. 'Cause
no,
that's really steep. No, that's too steep here.
it's all right.
That's really steep.
I want to go to the Bison Trail.
Yeah, but it's going to be... Okay, that's on a steep end.
Look, we're on the Bison
It's all
Trail.
pretty steep. That's pretty steep going up here, I think.
I know. I'll be all right.
At least you're in the shade. Makes life a lot
I can't let my stomach keep us from having life adventures.
but... Well, let's not go too far. Let's just sit and rest right here. It's a good spot. You
Let's
got a lot
go
of
up to those rocks. Those bigger rocks.
shade.
But I'm okay right now. And as long as you guys are okay,
Well, yeah,
I'm willing to keep going.
Because it is pretty warm, actually, surprisingly. It's warm. Yeah, you could
Well, yeah, it's like 90 when we get to where we're going.
probably hotter than that. Grand Junction's probably like 94. It could be hot.
Oh, what was that?
I don't know.
I heard a
No, that's just a bug.
See, you got me paranoid about the snakes.
Right here, Al. We're going to sit here for a minute. Al. No, there ain't nothing up here. No, right here. Oh, it's a good spot, Al, 'cause it's shady. Chill out. Should have probably brought him water.
Oliver,
Water, he needs water.
hold on. Oliver, let me get your picture. Handsome boy. I'm going to keep going by myself. Dave and Oliver are taking a rest because it's too warm and we don't want Oliver overheating. But they walk a lot faster than me, and so they'll be able to catch up with me because I don't walk that fast. Plus, I like to show you guys this beautiful scenery. I figure if I could enjoy it, and even though my phone isn't very good quality, I would like to still share it with you. All right, we're gonna get walking again. Oh, look at the flowers. I wonder what kind those purple ones are. Those are wild looking. Dave's got me paranoid about snakes, so I'm not going through, tromping through the grass. Oh, look at these things. Here I can see. Let me get you guys closer. Is that not the coolest? I've not seen a flower like that ever. Like I said, it was here's one that's open. See what they look like? They had snow up here the last time. It wasn't a lot here on the trails. It was further up in the mountains than what we are. And while I'm on this trail, I need to keep an eye out for a new rock for our friend Philip, because he collects them. And I think they put them like around their fish pond, their koi pond. And so they get to enjoy them all the time in Ohio. Look. Animal poopy. Wild animal poopy. Oh, sorry guys, being up here and all this grass and all the pollens got me sniffling. So when I get back, I'll have to take some allergy medicine. Ooh, that's a really pretty plant. I like how they're kind of spiky looking, but it's not. They're really soft. Oh my gosh. They're like really, really pretty. I have so much shade going on here. Let's see if I can get you. There we go. That pretty? Cool. Gosh, nature's got so many really cool and unique flowers and stuff. Like these little thingies. Like those little thingies. What the heck are they? I bet you the butterflies love it up here. Oh, did you see that big bee? Careful. There's a great big bee right here.
I just twist my ankle because he's pulling.
Oliver, come here.